Hello guys! Maria here, an OFW who's working here in Gambia, West Africa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. For today's video, you will get to know me more because we will talk about random facts about me. Let's get started guys. Stick around. Atcha, let's go!
Let's go!
So guys, bago natin pag-usapan yung random facts about me, let us talk about what is fact first. So, when you say fact, it is true, it's existing, and it's real. So, hindi po siya yung opinion, yung kuro-kuro, yung paniniwala lang ng iba tungkol sa'yo. So, in this video guys, you will get to know more about me. So guys, umpisa na natin yung kalokohan na to. So guys, number one fact about me is that my name is not spelled M-A-R-I-A, but it is spelled correctly as M-A-R-E-A. Trivia guys, it is the combination of my mother and my father's name, Andrea and Mario. So it became Maria. So maybe you will think I'm the youngest, but it's not. So number two fact about me guys, my favorite color is purple, violet. So anything with a touch of purple or violet, it's very attractive guys for me. But guys, it's kind of funny because I rarely buy things for me that is colored purple or violet. I don't know why guys, it's just I want to see it but I don't buy. Number three fact about me, I think you know this, I'm really very short. My height is just 147 centimeters. So guys, kayo na yung bahala mag-convert sa feet and inch. So, no, I'm just joking. It is around 4'10", guys. Number four fact about me, guys. My favorite soda is Royal. Here, guys, there's no brand Royal. It is Fanta. So, if you will ask me to choose among Sprite, Coca-Cola, and some others, I will choose Royal. I will choose orange. Guys, you know, there's a story behind this. You know, when you were a kid, when you are sick, your mother used to give you Royal, Skyflakes, Piato, something like this, for you to gain energy, for you to get well. So from there, guys, that is the story why I like Royal so much. But guys, right now I'm going to clean living, so I don't drink much of the sodas, guys. More on water. Number five fact about me is that I used to eat apple with the salt. So it's very rare, guys, that I eat apple alone. I always eat apple with the salt, like most of the time, guys. I don't know if you do like this, but in our home in Philippines, like most of us, we do like this. So guys, number six fact about me is that I hate to eat okra and talaba. But guys, I'm very open. It's not that I don't like something I will never try. Like there's a day that I tried okra and talaba. The taste is nice, guys. It's yummy. It's just that, you know, like if you don't like, you don't eat much. But guys, now I change. Every time there is okra dish, I used to eat that one. But talaba, guys, very rare. Because guys, you know, how to cook talaba is not really cooking it. It's just you are pouring hot water there. And then it's done. It's ready. You just dip it into vinegar, some chili, and some onion like this, some pepper. The taste is nice, guys, but I don't like it much. Just like that. Guys, number seven fact about me is that I love to sing. Handa ko sa walang hanggan, di pa sahin, di ka sasahan. But so sad dahil yung kanta hindi ako mahal. So like I'm the only one, it's one-sided, guys. I'm the only one who loves to sing, but the song didn't love me. Just like that. So like if you will ask me to sing or to dance, I will prefer to sing, guys, because in dancing I'm very bad like that. So number 8 fact about me, guys, I love eating watermelon, pakwan with bagoong. So most of the time we used to eat pakwan with bagoong, just with rice, something like that. Parang ulam mo na yung pakwan with bagoong. Ganon. Lalo na yung nanay at tatay ko, they used to eat like this. Number 9 fact about me, guys. I don't know if you will believe, but hindi talaga ako gaanong nagluluto, guys. And I'm not sure if magaling ako magluto, but I know I can cook. It's like that. I think there's a story behind this, guys, that most of the people in our home, they used to cook. It's like they have so much energy. Amazing! Cooking. So, I'm not cooking. So, like, guys, unless no one will cook, that's the time I will cook. So guys, number 10 fact about me is that I'm not into makeup. Hindi po talaga ako nagme-makeup. And even I'm trying, I really can't feel wearing makeup. And guys, hindi rin ako nag-skincare. But I'm trying, guys, na alagaan yung face ko, alagaan yung balat ko. But I'm not consistent. I'm not regular. I don't know. I'm not into it really. Guys, number 12 fact about me. Ako po ay extrovert. So, friendly po ako pero I can say that I don't have much friends. Bilang lang po sa kamay yung mga kaibigan ko. Nakikipag-socialize ako sa mga tao, guys, as long as they want to socialize with you. So, like, hindi naman yung parang feeling close, hindi naman yung ganun. So, if they want to talk to you, then you can talk to them. If they are extrovert also, you can talk to them. But if they are introvert or they don't want to talk to you, wag mo nang ipilit, guys, or wag ka na mag-feeling close. Hindi siya bagay, hindi siya okay. Respect ba sa iba? How they feel? So guys, number 13 fact about me is that my favorite dish is halabos na hipon. So it's just boiled shrimp with some salt. So, after nun, didip mo lang naman siya sa vinegar with some pepper and garlic. So, the taste is balanced. But any dish with shrimp, guys, for me, it's very good because shrimp is my favorite. So, any dish can do like that. Naalala ko pala, guys, nung nagtatrabaho ako sa Pilipinas, I'm away from home. Every time na uuwi ako, yung nanay at tatay ko, they will buy shrimp. They will cook halabos na hipon because they know it's my favorite. So guys, number 14 fact about me is that prangka po akong tao, straightforward po ako. So, wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. If I have problem with you, I will tell you directly. So guys, number 15 fact about me is that I'm the breadwinner of my family. So nakaka-happy lang po, diba? Kapag yung family mo happy, as a breadwinner, you are happy. Number 16 fact about me po is that I cannot sleep in the room when it's totally dark. Kailangan po may konting liwanag, may konting silip ng liwanag. Dito po, lagi ko pong pinapatay yung ilaw ng room pero nakabukas yung ilaw ng banyo. But there are times po na nakakatulog ako, so bukas yung ilaw. Kapag naalimpungatan po ako, nagising ako, I will turn off the light. Number 17 fact about me is that I love hiking. I started hiking po since college with my friends and with some of our professors. Talaga pong nakaka-happy, satisfying moment kapag na-reach mo na yung destination mo. Kapag narinig mo na yung tagaktak ng falls, ganun. Talagang worth it naman yung pagod, tsaka yung hingal, yung pa-stop-stop kasi talagang sobrang tarik, sobrang hirap akyatin. Talaga lang pong take note kapag gusto nyo mag-hiking. Wag po kayong magdala ng sobrang bigat, yung mga light things lang. Tsaka no need to bring too much water kasi sa jungle naman po along the road, meron naman po silang mga natural water, spring water. Ganun siya, guys. Hindi na lang namin naulit kasi nga, yun nga, may kanya-kanya ng buhay, may kanya-kanya ng schedule, busy ba. So guys, number 18 fact about me is that I love riding rides. Guys, I remember this story. So, alam niyo nun, uso pa yung mga tour-tour, diba, kapag ka-student ka. So, yung tour namin sa Star City, guys, and merong bagong rides na frisbee. So, I have a friend, like, sabi niya, natatakot siya, hindi niya kaya. And then, like, I'm encouraging her, so just come, let's go. Tapos, guys, ang ending, yung ate nyo, yung tropa nyo, nagsuka. Tapos, yung niyaya niya mag-rides, hindi nagsuka. So, it's just funny rin. Number 19 fact about me. Maybe because you didn't notice, pero boyish talaga akong kumilos, guys. Parang siga ba, guys? Let's go! Pero ito, guys, namana ko siya sa mama ko. Yung mama ko, yung pagkilos niya, same lang din. Pero nakakatuwa kasi for others, they saw it like a stig. But for others, they saw it different way. So, just be yourself, guys. You don't need someone else to validate you. Just be who you are, right? So guys, number 20 fact about me is that sobrang mahihain ko po talaga sa camera. I never imagine na makakapag-vlog po ako, magiging vlogger po ang tropa nyo. Pero sobrang salamat po sa inyo pong suporta, sa inyo pong paniniwala. We've come so far, malayo na, pero malayo pa. Guys, number 21 fact about me, maniniwala po ba kayo na for me, working abroad is not my cup of tea? Like, anything will happen, I will not go abroad. Kasi okay naman po ako kahit na hindi ganun kalaki yung sahod sa Pinas, at least kasama ko po yung family ko. But here I am, I'm here in Gambia. Who would have thought that God will take me here? So guys, number 22 fact about me, and the last random fact about me is that I'm a born-again Christian. Not about religion, but just about faith in God. I'm grateful for what I have and who I am right now. I know God is behind all of this, and naniniwala din po ako na God is working all things together for our good. So guys, salamat po sa pakikinig. Salamat din po sa panonood. That's all for today. I hope po mas nakilala nyo po ako. You get to know me more in this video. So, suggest lang po kayo ng pwede ko pang i-content. Always remember guys, don't forget that you're amazing. Bye-bye!